Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of helicopters. These marvels of engineering, with their ability to take off vertically, hover mid-air and navigate tight spaces, have always captured our imagination. But beyond their fundamental abilities lie a plethora of hidden features and ingenious designs that even the keenest observer might miss. Stick around to discover some unique features you probably haven't seen before. From unconventional tail rotors to revolutionary rotor systems, we'll uncover the secrets that make these machines so extraordinary. We'll explore the elegant solutions engineers have devised to overcome challenges and enhance performance, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the sky. Get ready to see helicopters in a whole new light. Our first stop takes us to the tail, or rather, the absence of a conventional tail. Some helicopters, like the MD helicopters, employ a unique system known as NOTAR, short for no-tail rotor. This ingenious design replaces the familiar whirling tail rotor with a less obvious yet equally fascinating solution. The NOTAR system utilizes a principle known as the Coanda effect, where air forced through a narrow slot clings to a curved surface, creating a force that counteracts the torque produced by the main rotor. In essence, the helicopter manipulates the very air around it to maintain stability. This system offers several advantages, including reduced noise and increased safety for those working around the aircraft. It's a testament to the innovative spirit of engineers who dared to rethink conventional helicopter design. While the NOTAR system eliminates the tail rotor altogether, other helicopters, like those from Airbus, feature a different approach to tail rotor design, the fenestron. This distinctive feature, also known as a fan-in-fin tail rotor, immediately sets these helicopters apart. Encased within a protective duct or shroud, the fenestron houses multiple small rotor blades, resembling a sophisticated fan embedded in the tail fin. This design reduces noise significantly, making it ideal for operations in noise-sensitive areas like urban environments. But the benefits extend beyond noise reduction. The fenestron also enhances safety by shielding the rotor blades and improves efficiency due to its aerodynamic design. Prepare to be captivated as we delve into the world of coaxial rotors, a marvel of engineering that redefines how helicopters generate lift and stability. This system, prominently featured in helicopters like the Russian Kamov K-50, employs two main rotors mounted one above the other on the same central mast. These rotors spin in opposite directions, effectively canceling out each other's torque and eliminating the need for a tail rotor altogether. This unique configuration unlocks a world of possibilities, allowing for exceptional maneuverability and stability, even in challenging wind conditions. Coaxial helicopters are renowned for their agility and precision, making them well-suited for a variety of specialized roles, from aerial acrobatics to military operations. Hold on tight as we explore a revolutionary concept that merges the best of both worlds, helicopters and airplanes. Tiltrotor technology, exemplified by the Bell Boeing V-22 Osprey, pushes the boundaries of aviation, seamlessly transitioning between vertical takeoff and landing capabilities and efficient high-speed flight. Imagine witnessing this. The Osprey's massive rotors, housed at the tips of its large wings, begin in a vertical position, enabling it to lift off like a helicopter. Then, as the aircraft gains speed, the rotors gracefully tilt forward, transforming into propellers that propel the Osprey forward with airplane-like efficiency. This remarkable adaptability makes the Osprey a versatile asset in various fields, from military transport and search and rescue missions to potential commercial applications. Step into the cockpit and prepare to be amazed by the sophisticated technology that empowers modern helicopters. Advanced avionics systems have revolutionized how these machines operate, enhancing safety, efficiency, and situational awareness for pilots. Imagine looking through the eyes of the pilot. Glass cockpit displays replace traditional analog instruments, providing pilots with a wealth of real-time information at a glance. Navigation systems, coupled with terrain awareness and warning systems, offer unparalleled situational awareness, even in challenging weather conditions. These technological advancements, constantly evolving and improving, are transforming helicopters into highly capable and intelligent flying machines. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating content. The world of helicopters is brimming with ingenuity and innovation, and we've only just scratched the surface. From the elegant simplicity of the noter system to the futuristic capabilities of tiltrotor technology, these machines continue to push the boundaries of what's possible in aviation. We hope this glimpse into the hidden wonders of helicopters has ignited your curiosity and appreciation for these extraordinary flying